Hi, my name is Matthew DeLeon. I work at Electronic Caregiver as a software developer. I grew up in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Growing up in Las Cruces was fun. I enjoyed outdoor activities such as hiking, walking our dog, playing golf, making friends over video games, and getting to go to other cities and states for marching band tournaments. One amazing experience was getting to live in Europe for 5 months with my family and experiencing new things like lifestyles, foods, music, and learning German, and also checking out their art and history museums. I did not have any IT or tech-oriented courses offered at my high school, Las Cruces Public Schools. The technical knowledge, experience, and skills that I use at home and for my technical support business were gained through personal projects and self-education. Now, I took some financial courses in high school and college that I use a lot at home and sometimes for my tech support business. For my job at Electronic Caregiver, I'm taking some self-paced programming language courses on my own time, which is especially important because I use these languages, JavaScript and TypeScript, very frequently. Also, I got an AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, which is super useful because we actively use AWS. The skills and knowledge that I obtained from the certification are used daily. I am also looking at getting a second AWS certification as well. I have exceptional customer service and communication skills that from my volunteer work at the Munson Senior Center operating in Las Cruces, which involved conducting client surveys and getting feedback from the customers based on the work performed. I have strong work ethics that I gained from my days in college, having a strict set of work habits of always doing my homework first, and if possible, weeks in advance, ensuring that all the deadlines were met and my work was exceptional. Once I started an assignment, I was committed to getting it down with the most significant attention to detail and being completely focused on it. I gained strong teamwork skills from many team-based assignments in college and my part-time job as a desk assistant at NMSU. For my job at Electronic Caregiver, I was required to get certified as an Amazon Web Services Cloud Practitioner. I got my certification directly from Amazon Web Services, but after studying for 6 months before taking my exam. Some of the sections I studied were key services, infrastructures, security and compliance sections, and other documentation. The AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is super useful because we actively use AWS, and the skills and knowledge that I obtained from the certification is used daily. I'm also looking to get a second AWS certification as well. A typical day at work is monitoring all the dashboards created around our AWS services. The dashboards produce useful and insightful metrics like warning and error logs for Lambda functions, memory usage, function execution time / timeouts, and top invoked functions. This allows us to identify performance bottlenecks quickly, points of concern, isolate issues and understand them, and fix them before any production systems go down or get negatively affected. Monitoring the dashboards is a good part of my day, especially when we get medication reminders and vital readings that failed to be processed. When I'm not looking into logs, I'm working on my HCO order audits, making sure that each order was put in correctly, prices match up with the promo applied, the specified office location is correct for each order, and the user shows up in the right dashboard. Sometimes I will take some time to study Datadog metrics and see what new things we can implement or use to improve our dashboards. Lastly, I look forward to doing the audits because I know the importance and the impact the audit has. It is especially rewarding when I can correct orders and let BizDev know that the orders have been fixed and are now showing up in the dashboard. Since conducting the audit, I have discovered several variations of typos, characters, incorrect emails, names, promos, office locations, and wrong date of births, and have made a list of steps for correcting each type of error. The rates of incorrect orders and customers not showing up in the dashboard have gone down significantly since November of 2020 when I started conducting the audits. Additionally, it has had a positive impact on BizDev as well. I see myself in 5 years as a mid-level software developer with 3 major certifications. AWS SysOps Certified Associate Developer, and AWS Associate Solutions Architect. The next steps for me are to obtain those 3 major certifications, plus a CompTIA A+ certification for my own IT business. The A+ certification will help me get a job as a help desk specialist if I want to go that route later on down the road in life. I love the IT field because that's my bread and butter.